Yeah, so welcome back to Fashion Friday with Rochelle. So today's pattern is this simple dress pattern by Simplicity, and it is pattern 1407. I will leave that number in the description for you. And it is basically two pieces, the front and the back. It is a pattern that is designed to be made from knits, and you will know that by this strip here, which tells you that a piece of fabric that is from here to here should be able to stretch to the end of this arrow right here. So this is what we have, and we're stretching it, and it meets the criteria. So that's what we have. So basically, with working with knits, you can either use a serge stitch or you can use a straight stitch. I use the straight stitch. I'm not going to bore you with the machine part of this today. I'll just explain a few things. So also, when you're working with knits, you want to have a needle that's for knits, and it's a ballpoint needle. So the needle is actually round on the tip so that it does not snag the fabric and, you know, cause little rifts in your in the design. So you want to make sure you have a ballpoint needle, which is designed for the knits, and then you can either use a straight stitch or a serger if you like. And one other thing I wanted to say is also when you're sewing your knits, you don't necessarily need to serge the ends, because the knits don't fray like other fabrics. They just basically, the stitches bounce back unless like I said, if you use the wrong needle, it could snag. But what happens with the ballpoint, the ballpoint will go between the threads in the fabric instead, and not catch on like that sharp point to cause a snag. So with that said, let's go take a look at what I created out of this pattern, this simple pattern. You see, it was only 97 cents. Now you can get more expensive pattern that has the same design if you want, but I figure, why? I mean, you know, I guess it's a matter of choice. So with that said, let's go to the video. Let's go to the video. Hey, it's Fashion Friday. Who would have thought? Did you see that pattern? Did you love it? I mean, it was so simple, but yet, look at how you can dress it up. Let's see. I paired it with a red shoe today. Oh, I guess that didn't work. But you know, every recording has its fails, but you never mind that. Did you get the hairpiece? The headband that goes with it? It's simple, yet you can wear it out, or you can pair it with something over the shoulders, which I'm going to show you right now. I'll be right back. Yes, so who knew? It's just a strip of fabric tied at the wrist and pulled up over the shoulders, and it gives your dress a whole new look. How do you like that? Simple additions to dress up whatever it is you're wearing. You could have chosen any color in this, but I chose the red because it's more vibrant. So If you like this Fashion Friday, please go ahead and give me a like. You know, that's the thumbs up. Share it and invite someone else back for the next Fashion Friday, every Friday. Thank you for coming. See you in the next one. As an added bonus, I'm adding the shoes. Those are the red shoes I tried to show you earlier that kind of failed. But yep, perfect match.